Sesame Street. Abby and Elmo's potty plan. To start, press the play button. Little Elmo and little Abby are learning to use the potty.
Elmo knows how to use the potty. I can use the potty too.
That's right. But we need your help to make sure they make it to the potty before having an accident. Let's go! Which friend should practice going to the potty, Abby or Elmo? Elmo. Now it's time to decorate your potty. You can change the color and add designs to the seat. Click on the arrow when you're done.
Elmo loves this potty.
Welcome to the playroom. Click around to play with Abby and Elmo. And remember, look for signs that they need to go to the bathroom. When they do, stop what you're doing. And look how Elmo is moving. It looks like he needs to go to the potty.
Go!
Get to the potty. Move Elmo around the toys to get him to the bathroom door.
Yay! Elmo made it to the potty!
Sometimes it can take a little while to go. While we wait, let's play a game. Can you find something you use on your teeth? A toothbrush. That's right! I see something that has stars. A towel. A picture on the wall. Uh-huh. Can you find something that goes quack? A rubber ducky. Way to go! I see something you can stand on to help you reach things. A step stool. Yeah! Can you find something that makes bubbles?
All done!
You did it! You went to the bathroom on the potty. But we're not done yet. Time to wipe. Wipe, 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 that's what we do. Wipe your bottom with 2.
Thank you!
It's time to flush. Flush, 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 that's what we do. Flush the potty. Almost done. Now we have to wash our hands. Let's sing the ABC song while... A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now my hands are nice and clean. Wash every time you go potty. Time to dry. Dry, 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 that's what we do. Dry your hands when you are through. Way to go! You did all the potty steps. I know I have to go. Get to the potty. Go potty. Wipe. Flush. Wash.